Apply everything you've learned to yourself and change yourself first so you can be an example for your clients.
Yes, LiveLean Nation, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Now with today's video, like we do with all of our videos, we always transcribe them and put them over on our blog post. Now, today's video is one that you may want to actually go check out the blog first or after watching, because we provide more detail, more insight into the topic that we talk about today. Sometimes when we do Q&As, we can't get into too much detail. This is an example of that. So if you want the full scope of this, go check out the blog over here, link right here, or in the video description below, or just sit back and watch and enjoy the video.
At LileanaSurreal1 on Twitter says, how did you and Jess become experts in fitness? What resources do you use? Thank you. Well, we started off by getting our certifications. Yes. I mean, first I guess we started off that we realized we needed to make a change in our life. It's all in my book, Think and Live Lean. Check it out, thinkandlivellean.com. But I talked about being a kid growing up, even a young adult growing up, that I just didn't have any self-confidence. So I was like, I need to change. How do I change? Change on the outside, which then changed me on the inside. So I just did a lot of research, hired a coach, and then I just fell in love with fitness. And then I got my certifications, and then I just kept reading and reading and reading and applying and applying and applying and executing and executing. And I got results. And then people started asking me, how did I get results? I told them how to do it, and it just snowballed from there.
Right. It's a long process. It's funny that you actually did all that work on yourself and had a coach and everything before getting certified, because mine was actually the opposite. I got certified before I even knew or did anything. And I don't really recommend that. I do think that it's important. Now, if people ask me if they should get certified and when they should get certified and stuff, I always encourage them to work on themselves first. Yeah. Because I just think that a certification is more valuable to you once you know things from real life experience.
Yeah. I think the most important thing is I get a lot of questions from other personal trainers on what should I do next? I got my certification. Well,
which certification?
The next thing you should do is apply everything you've learned to yourself and change yourself first so you can be an example for your clients. Because I see it all the time that people hire trainers that don't apply what they've learned to themselves. In a sense, it's like, how's this, what's going on here?
Or maybe they applied it once and then let themselves go. Yeah, there's a lot of that in the industry.
I mean, the bottom line is working on yourself, finding out what works for us. And
what resources did you use? Yeah, like we said,
I hired
real
a coach.
Life experience. I've had many coaches.
I hired a coach.
We've read a lot of books, just done a lot of real life experience. That's what it is, I think, mostly. That is your best resource.
Yes. To find the best workout and nutrition program for you, go take our Live Lean Body Quiz. Answer 4 simple questions and we'll get you on the best program based on your goals. Every training program includes warm-ups, workouts, cool-downs, and nutrition plans. We have it all. Go take the Live Lean Body Quiz here. Question of the day. How many years have you been working out? Share your experiences in the comments section below. Okay, now I want you to go watch this video right over here on my journey to a healthy diet routine.